Guys, I've got some bad news, and that is that some HVAC manufacturers may be going corrupt. I met a really interesting guy recently, and this guy works for a major company. I'm not going to mention any names because I don't want to accidentally get him into trouble, but he's worked for this company for 8 years as one of the sales guys. He was responsible for selling HVAC units, residential and commercial, and also for selling parts for these units. He also deals with the warranty work. Any warranty claims, they went through him. When he found out that I'm an HVAC tech, we started talking about all HVAC related stuff, and eventually we got to ECM motors. And he mentioned something really interesting. He said that what he noticed is, after the 10-year warranty expired, it seems like a lot of those ECM motors failed right after that 10-year mark. So he would get warranty claims when it's just like a week or two past that warranty expiration date. At first he thought this was a coincidence, but as the years went by, these coincidences started to pile up. This became a trend. He noticed a lot of these calls where the motor would literally fail a week or two after that expiration date. After doing some research and digging into this, his conclusion was that some of these motors are literally programmed to fail after the warranty expires. And to me, this is a very, very scary thought. Because now, any HVAC unit that is high efficiency and it's loaded with a bunch of technology, variable speed motors, and a bunch of control boards, these units are very easy to tamper with to make them fail at a certain time. And to make matters worse, if these units are connected to Wi-Fi, now they can be remotely triggered to fail. Which is a crazy idea because things are becoming more and more technologically advanced. And as much as I hope that this is not going to become common, it's not going to become a widespread problem, the potential of corruption is just skyrocketing. And this part is strictly theoretical, but I remember from my own experience, I've had weeks where the whole entire week it seemed like furnace control boards would fail one after the other. The whole entire week it seems like all I'm doing is replacing control boards. Or there's another week where there's a ton of motors that fail. And it's weird, it's like they're seasonally failing. I mean, this part could be a coincidence, but it sure does make me wonder. And of course, this is not anything new for other industries. For example, your cell phones. Have you ever noticed that after you buy a new cell phone, after a couple of years, the battery starts to die faster and faster? And now the new phones, it's permanently sealed, so you can't even replace the battery if you wanted to. And when people's phones start dying too fast, they simply opt to get a brand new phone. A classic example of this is the Centennial light in California. It's that light bulb that's been on for over 100 years and it doesn't burn out. This just goes to show you that if they wanted to make a light bulb that does not burn out, they could totally do it. But that's bad for business. I also repair appliances, and I can say for a fact that old washing and drying machines are much, much, much more durable than the new high efficiency stuff, which breaks 5 times as fast. But anyway, I'm getting a little bit carried away. I just wanted to share my thoughts on this and wanted to get your opinion of what you think as well. And if you have some of your own examples of planned obsolescence, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. And if you're still here and not in the comment section below, check out this planned obsolescence comic that I found online.